Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us do some example problem regarding total pressure and center of pressure. Example, a vertical sluice gate is used to cover an opening in a dam. The opening is 2 meter wide and 1.2 meter high. On the upstream of the gate, the liquid of specific gravity 1.45 lies up to a height of 1.5 meter above the top of the gate, whereas on downstream side the water is available up to a height of touching the top of the gate. This find the resultant force acting on the gate and position of center of pressure. Find also the force acting horizontally at the top of the gate which is capable of opening it, assuming the gate is hinged at the bottom. Here hinge. Now first the given things: width of the gate, width of gate B equal 2 meter, depth of the gate equal to 1.2 meter, area of the gate is 2 into 1.2 equal 2.4 meter square. So specific gravity of oil equal 1.45. Now density of oil is 1.45 into 1000 equal 1450 kg per meter cube. Force F1 exerted by the fluid of specific gravity 1.45 on the gate. Here the force F1 is acted, that is F1 force exerted by the fluid. Exerted by the fluid is then F2 is force exerted by the water to the gate. Here force, this side is force F2, force exerted by water on the gate. Now we'll calculate F1 equal rho 1 G A H1 bar. Here 1450 9.81, area of the gate is 2.4, and H1 is look here 1.5 plus half of 1.2, that is 1.5 plus 1.6. 1.5 plus 0.6 is 2.1. 1.5 plus 0.6. So this gives the value by using calculator. We'll get is 71691 Newton. F2 is similarly rho 2 G A H2 bar. Here rho is 1000 for water, 9.81 for G, and A is same 2.4, area of the gate into here this 1.2 CG becomes 1.2 divided by 2 is 0.6. Now by using this calculation, by using calculator, we'll get 14126 Newton. Now we'll start one by one. Now first one, resultant force on the gate. Resultant force on the gate. Look at here. Here force F1 is through upstream direction, F2 is downstream direction, each opposite directions. So which is equal F1 minus F2. That is F1 is 71691 minus 14126, which is equal 57565 Newton. Then second part, position of center of pressure. Center of pressure of resultant force will give the formula, that is H1 days equal Ig A H1 bar plus H1 bar. Ig is moment of inertia of the gate, rectangular gate through CG is we will do separate this Ig equal B dq by 12, which is equal B is 2, D is 1.2 cube by 12, which gives by calculation to 0.288 approximate meter for 4. Therefore, we will do H dash bar equal 0.288 over the area is 2.4, area of the gate, into H1 bar is 2.1. 2.1 plus 2.1, we will get the value for this 2.1571 meter. That is center of pressure of the gate. Center of pressure of the gate from the water level. H1 dash bar will do. Therefore, now we can do distance of, therefore, distance of F1 from hinge equal distance of F1 from hinge. Here we have to, this F1 from the hinge you have to do 1.2, total is 1.2 minus, now 1.2 plus 1. Is equal 1.5 1.5 plus 1.2 minus H dash H1 dash equal 1.5 plus 1.2 minus 2.1571 which gives 0.5429. meter. Now we consider the force F2. The force F2 will be acting depth of acting depth of H2 days from from free surface of water from free surface of water and is given by is given by H2 days equal Ig over A H2 bar plus H2 bar. Here Ig is already got 0.288 over A is 2.4, the area of the gate, into here 0.6. Here 1.2 divided by 2 is 0.6 here plus 0.6 equal 0.2 equal 0.2 plus that calculation of 0.288 over 2.4 into 0.6 is 0.2 plus 0.6 equals 0.8 meter. Therefore, distance of F2 from hinge. Here F2 from hinge. Here this is F2. This is a hinge. F2 from hinge is the subtraction of hinge is 1.2 minus 0.8, which gives 0.4 meter. Therefore, the resultant force of we got the resultant force already 575 Newton will be acting at a distance distance is given by that is F1, that is here 71691 into 0.5429 minus 14126 into 0.4 over 57565. By calculation, it gives approximate 0.578 meter above the hinge. Therefore, the resultant force of this F1 and F2 will act from the hinge is 0.578 meter. Now third part, force at the top of the gate is capable of opening is to capable of opening. That means how much force you have to give to open the gate. Opening is given by F1. F, we'll keep it this F, which is, you can calculate F into 1.2 taking moments plus F2 into 0.4 equal F1 into 0.54219. Therefore, we get F equal F1 into 0.5429 minus F2 into 0.4 over 1.2. We'll put the values of F1 and F2. F1 is 71691 into 0.5429 minus F2. F2 is 14126 into 0 0.4 over 1.2, which gives, after calculation, it gives to 7.725 5.5 Newton. Here that means here from the hinge, that is this, the gate should be open like is, we have to apply to 27,725.5 Newton we need to open the door. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.